Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to change Aramex account's password using your Aramex mobile application. So in order to change your login password for Aramex, simply open the Aramex app and sign into your account. From the main homepage, tap on My Account at the bottom right and tap on Email Address. It'll now prompt you to enter your password to access your email. Go ahead and tap on Forgot Password even though you remember your password, just to change it to a new one. Once you tap Forgot Password, it'll take you to aramex.com Reset Password page. Type in the email associated with your Aramex account in the given text box and then tap on Submit. An email with instructions to change your password will be sent to you. Open up your email inbox. You will then receive your aramex.com Forgot Password link in it. Tap on it to open it up and then tap on the link that you see on your screen. Select a web browser to open up the link with, and then on the next page, enter the new password you'd like to change to for your Aramex account. Create a password minding the criterias and then re-enter your password on the next field once again. Finally, tap on Submit and you will then be able to change your password for Aramex. Now every time you log into your Aramex account, you will then need to type in the newly updated password. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.